Hello everybody, Sasuke's Garage in the house. I hope you guys have a great time. New year, new stuff. We'd like to introduce you to something new to the family. Alright, ready? 1, 2, 3. What is it, you say? It is a 4-crown Victoria police interceptor. Ta-da! Look at this. Here we go. Here we go. This is it, beautiful. This is it. Already, barely just got it. Whoop. Ooh, see? See? It does not say police, but it is. They just painted it. You think you could see the blemish right there? It's been painted over, but who cares? Might have been the panda, the black and white. Look at this. Look at this. Oh, what do we got here? Oh, regular car, but that's okay. Uh-oh, look at it. There it is. My P71 4-crown Victoria. New drift car, new race car. I would call this a review also. Has a 17-inch lugs. This is how it looks from the front. Oh, we gotta put the Uchiha crest in. Basically, what we sold in Insta, we took some stuff. Already did a little verification. Oh, the rear's the best part. Ooh, door panels, custom door panels. Seat covers. I don't know what these fans are for. I guess they were for the back seat. If this car could talk, it had a lot of things to say. What action did it saw? Everything. These are the factory Steely's rims from the police. Has this little chrome on it. Got the jack, the jumper cables. Here's the other one. Alright, here's the front. Here it is. Big cleaning that up, barely got it. We gotta represent pick and pull. The truck release, the glove box. Huge dash. Very like it. Oh, it got these 2 holes. I don't know what this one for. I know this was the trunk release, but it's been moved over here. If it can focus. I don't know why they moved it. Oh, got the cup holder, the cigarette lighter. Missing some police equipment stuff. It's broken this thing. Like this it was going, I guess. It's missing a lot of police equipment stuff. But you know, when they sell these, they take it off. I had 2 spotlights. Oh, I like how they put this hood pin right here for the truck. See? Right there. I like it. Huge trunk. Got the spare. Got everything. There's the fan wires. See, they're fans. What it was for, I have no idea. Does not have any rear speakers, just the front. Love it, love it, love it. A ground. What is that for? I don't know. They had the police. I know there was had the release, police equipment, fire extinguisher. There's so many things. There's the fuel pump. Everything. The dash. Sorry about that. It's getting dark. We're in winter time still, but Texas. The 09 had these. It had a spotlights over here, but they took it off. Must have has a cage. It has the electric seats in the door. The what is it? For the bench seats, everything. Sorry about that. I don't getting over this car little by little. This is a brand new for me. Aftermarket radio, Pontiac, might be taking that out. Maybe put it in the factory. It's missing the dome light over here, but I don't know if that was, they took it out or something. Beautiful right here. This car is beautiful, it's leaving me speechless every time. What was this for? There was something right there, but I don't even know. Hello, hey. It has the, what do you call this? No, not carpet. This I like these. You drop your coffee or a can of soda, you're good to go. You just clean it, wash it off. So, I don't know the correct name, but I really love it. This is the 4.6 V8 police motors. You could do these with one hand. Let me 1 second. Okay. Okay, let me put you down for a second. Here's a big, beautiful motor, the 4.6 V8 with a huge intake. Look at that. It's missing the plastic cover right here in the front. AC condenser, radiator. Baby one might be upgrading that. The big battery. A fuse. What are these? I have no idea. Terminal amplifier. Beautiful. Wow. I'm speechless. Speechless. Wow. Wow. There's a beautiful intake manifold. Looks like it's been replaced. Made in the USA. For gasket. What? Oh, for replace gasket kit only use. Okay. It's beautiful. There's not much to say. I don't know much about these cars. Is this the computer? I guess. I hope I need to. Right there. Holy moly, look at this intake. The ignition coils right there. Good thing they're flexible, so that'll be easy to remove. Electric fan down there. Beautiful motor. It still has all the 4 cats. Still has the factory exhaust. But we're gonna do a side exit right here. coming out the rear tire, so I'll let you start it up. Hear it, how it sounds. Sounds incredible. It has 221,000 miles. And 40 hours? No, that's trip. The hours, 5:39 with 2 minutes. I know you could do a lot of things with it. Play. Oh, tire pressure sensor. Correct me, I think. I don't know. Correct me if I'm wrong. I know you could do a lot of things with this cluster. I know there's way more than these 3 trip, hours, and mileage. Then you gotta play with it. You could do it. It tells you how much revolution you are at. Nope, don't want to mess with it. Very beautiful, like the red. Love it. Love it. Got the hard, got the radio. I won't play nothing, but copyright. It's okay. It got 2 speakers right here in the door panel. They're just probably the factory. Sounds factory. I wish I had an aux cord. I don't know if it's Bluetooth. I really don't. I only got aux, tuner, and that's it. Might be messy with it, so I can already take it out. Very simple to remove. Very good job. I like the wire system they did. There's a factory connector, no chopping the wire, so I can always put it back to factory. Here's the bottom pannier. Whoops, sorry about the glare. There it is. Let me put the camera down so I can put it back. All right, back already. I mean, try to, might be going to pick and pull to get the factory. I mean, I want to keep it stock, put some police tags maybe, like this, like what the cops use right here, not the whole, system, just a little bench, There's one I like. It was a box with lights and the cup holders. And that's about it. Basic Ford Crown Victoria. Maybe put the cage right here in the back. There's a lot of things coming to this car. Very bright. Very beautiful. That's about it. I got very quiet. You can see the loop of the tailpipe right there. Let's get up. Ooh, I'm underneath my car. There's a huge muffler. There's a differential. Wait, is it? Yes, that is. Open or... Ooh. That sounded nice. Inspiration. It has a true dual exhaust. Passenger side. And I think it has a factory H5. Sorry, the car's not lifted up, but I think it has it. I think these cars came with the H5. Might be deleting that just right here. Boom! Right here. Love it. Oh, here's one of the Ford parts. Very beautiful. I like how it's long. It's maybe I might stand it. I don't know. The rockers look clean and everything. This is a Texas car, so I hope it is. That's what the title said, Texas. So okay, so looks clean underneath. Oh, the exhaust right there, the loop-de-loops. Very beautiful exhaust tone. I like it. I like it. Sorry if this video is all over the places. I'm so excited over this car. My new race car slash drift car. So I'm so excited. It's a beauty. We're gonna get the police, the spotlights and everything, the cage. We are gonna be modifying, so stay tuned. Hope you guys enjoy. Please like, comment, and share, and subscribe. Oh, we got this corrido. I don't want to play it, no copyright, so if I miss anything, sorry. I'm barely getting to know this car. I bet there was more things I probably missed about this car. If anybody knows about these cars, let me know in the comments. But I'm enjoying it. Just barely got it. Takes the side, it was clean every day, so yay! And these things are going up in value quick. It's like skyrocketing. What do you guys think? A big spoiler right here? Like, oh, that Taxi movie. That's what I want to do to this car, like Taxi. Where they, if anybody seen that movie, Taxi? I barely seen it. I went on eBay. Look at the body kit, said Taxi. I gotta watch that movie, Taxi. Where they had a yellow one, it had a body kit, the bumper, the spoiler. And these things are going up in value quick. So, see, I'm missing a lot of things. I know there's a lot of more things about these cars I'm missing. But you know, just barely got it, so. Stay with me. Have patience. We're getting to know it. Is it open? Maybe. I don't know. Don't want to do a burnout yet. So, gotta check all the fluids. Gotta check everything. So, there's probably she got some little hiccups. I hope not. You know, work in progress. So. That was beautiful. Good eye, beautiful 4.6. Oh. And I'm looking for that big cowl in the hood in the middle. Whoops. The lights are gone. I can't see nothing. Oh, yes, one of my lights are off. Hey, still got the Christmas lights. That one went out, so I gotta replace it today. I'm looking for that big cow. The big cow in the front. Hey, she does got some tits, so that's beautiful. See? You can't see. I mean, ooh, I see so many things about this car. Well, it goes. If I remember, I'll probably put it. So this is gonna be a straight pipe, no flow master, no nothing. Straight pipe coming out the exhaust right here to the side, and that's it. Oh, remove the H pipe if it has it. Just the cats. Hey, that's it. So that's how it sounds. That's not mine. That's not mine. It sounds beautiful. I think that's it. Hope you guys like, comment, share, subscribe, and stay tuned for more new Victoria. Oh, Vicky. Evil Vicky. Like from the Fairly Odd Parents. Icky Vicky. Vicky. What should we call her? Vicky? Vicky? Or Vicky? I've been thinking about putting like a Liberty, anime Liberty on it, so, you know, Icky Vicky. Ooh, turbo diesel. That turbo spool. Got inspired by a lot of videos of this car. Say that's what I need. These cars are available everywhere, so. No, I don't wonder if you could have heard that turbo spool. I was inspired, you know. These cars are everywhere. The parts are available. They're cheap. So blow out a tranny, go to junkyard, blow a diff, replace the gears. Whatever happens, I don't know. So stay tuned for more. Sorry about the rambling, but I'm just so excited. Stay tuned and please. I guess I already said. Okay, I'm so excited. I'm all over the place. Sorry. All right, bye for now. Take care.